Follow the steps on how to create a half-transparent effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the background image. Duplicate the layer and add a Gaussian blur effect. Lock the layer. Next, insert the watermelon image. Right-click on the layer and convert to layers. Next, select Subject. Make mask. Right-click on the mask thumbnail and apply layer mask. Go to image and adjust the brightness. After that, insert the watermelon slice image. Select Subject. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Delete this layer. Adjust the size and position. Click this layer and make mask. Use the brush to erase the top. Duplicate this layer and move it to the top. Right-click and delete the layer mask. Convert this layer to Smart Object and change it to screen mode. Go to Image, Adjustment, and select Black and White. Select the Maximum Black preset. Next, adjust the levels. Select and group these three layers. Now insert the water splash image. Right-click on the layer and convert to layers. Delete this text. Hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail. Press Ctrl C to copy. After that, add a solid color and select white. Hold Alt and click this thumbnail. Ctrl-Shift-V to paste in place, and Ctrl-I to invert. Click this and you can turn off this layer to see the result. Ctrl-D to deselect. Delete this layer if not needed. Finally, you can adjust its position. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.